Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install and use LDPlayer. First, open your browser and search for LDPlayer on Google. Then, go to the official website and download it. Once the download is complete, install the program. I have already installed it, so I will open it now. This is the interface you will see when it launches. Next, go to the System Apps and open the Play Store. The first time you open it, you will need to sign in with your Google account. After that, you can search for or browse and install any apps you like. You can also go into the settings to adjust the performance and make it run more smoothly on your system. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.